Welcome back to another Cape Coral, Fort Myers, and Southwest Florida online tour. Today I'm coming from Southwest Cape Coral and I have this beautiful home here to show you. This is a listing from our office. They're doing an open house right now. And the reason I decided to come and do this beautiful home is because it has everything everybody's looking for in a home here. Okay, let me tell you a little bit about it. It's 2021, but it looks like brand new. It has 2,327 square feet under air, 3 bedrooms, 3 baths, and a den. Triple car garage and an awesome pool. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. As you come in, you're welcome with this humongous living room. It's a very open concept, and you can see your kitchen on the left side here, and on to the right of the kitchen is your dining room. Let me take a second. If you're watching my channel for the first time or you missed these videos last week, I'm going to be putting them at the end of this video. Let's continue with the tour. So now we're looking at the den. So it has a double door entrance. Now we're here. Let's take a closer look at the kitchen. As you can see, it's granite countertops, stainless steel appliances. It's very nice. I like the high ceilings. Very spacious. This is where the dining room table goes. So let me take a look here so you can see how big this room is. It's a very nice home. Let's take a closer look at the sink here. It's a very nice kitchen. Like, it's an open concept. It's very typical here in Southwest Florida that you have people coming from up north and you could entertain them while you're cooking. So it's a really nice concept. A lot of people like this open concept. Okay, now let me show you here the pantry. It's a pretty nice sized pantry. So the way you could store all your groceries here, and you don't have to go to the supermarket every 10 minutes. So now this is the laundry room. You got a washer and dryer, side table here, cabinet, and you can put shelves in the top if you want. You got plenty of space for that. And now here comes the 3-car garage. This is the double entrance, and then you got your single car garage over there. And the nice thing about this home is it has a door that leads to the side of the home. That's a very nice thing to have on a garage. So if you're looking for a home, make sure to look at that detail, because that's something that builders do extra, and some of them just put them there, but it's very nice to have, because it's always good for the trash and all those things. If you want to put the trash can on the side, it's really good to have that side door. So let's one more look here at the big room. Here's the dining room, and now let's go ahead and take a look at the bedroom number 1 here. This bedroom, this is one of the reasons why people like a lot this home. It's because it has a full bath in this bedroom. Okay, and also you have a door that leads out to the pool. So if you have guests or in-laws, you could have them stay in this room here, and they could be independent from the house, from the rest of the house. And another nice thing about this house, they thought about everything when they built it. This also, it's a pool bath, so it's works like a Jack and Jill. You could come from the pool, or you could come from that bedroom. So it does solve 2 issues here, so it's pretty nice. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and show you the guest bathroom. Okay, so you can see the home looks like it's brand new, and this is a 2021, but it looks like if nobody lived in it. So it's really nice. It's a very good condition. Whoever lived there really took good care of it. So you can see it has really nice sized rooms. Show you the closet here. Now let's take a look over here at the master bedroom. We're heading to the master bedroom. If you're new, if you're thinking about moving here to Southwest Florida, Cape Coral, Fort Myers, feel free to contact us. My wife and I have been selling real estate in this area for over 20 years, and we'd love to help you out. We're really pressure free, so call us whenever you have questions. And if you see any other homes or you want more information on this home, feel free to contact us, okay? Our number again is 239-410-7372. Check out this beautiful shower here. The tub. A lot of detail in this bathroom. Now look at the shower. As you can see, it looks like it's never been used. They had really kept this home really nice. And now check out the beautiful double sink vanity. And behind me it's the closet with the toilet. So let me continue over here. And here's the closets. Closet number 1, and on the other side you got closet number 2. This one I think is a little bit bigger than the other one. And now this is the master bedroom. You have a beautiful sliding door that leads to the pool. You got 2 windows. And it's very spacious. I mean, sometimes the lens of the camera doesn't give you the right, makes you feel that the room is small, but this one it's a lot bigger than what it might look on the camera. So depends on what angle I take the video. That's why I like to go around the room so you can actually visualize it. Okay, so now let's go ahead and go outside and check out the pool. This is what everybody likes in Florida. I mean, if you're gonna live here, it's very nice to have a pool during the summertime. And even the winter, you can use the pool in the winter time because temperature, I mean, in the afternoon, most of it's in the 80s. So most of the time, it's just when we get a couple cold fronts, a couple days with cold weather, and then all of a sudden the warm weather comes back. So that's what makes this area special. And the good thing about Southwest Florida, where we are right now in Cape Coral, Fort Myers, it's if you're thinking about Tampa, Sarasota, it's a lot cooler up there. So the southern you go, the warmer it gets. So it's nice, unless you like cold water or you got a nice, water heater system on the pool that will warm it up, but still when you take your head out of the water, it's cold. So that's something that down here, it's pretty nice during the winter that you don't have those many cold days. I mean, you get probably a week of cold and then all of a sudden it comes back to the 80s, and sometimes you get cold in the morning and by the afternoon it's already 79 or 80 in the 80s too. So that's what makes this area so special for coming down here and spend your winters. So now over here you have plenty of space here to put your chairs. Let me turn around here so you can see it. That door there, that's the one that leads to the bathroom. Okay, and the other one's to the bedroom. And check out how big this area is. You put a nice barbecue in there and enjoy. Okay, hope you enjoyed this video. See you on the next one.